You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to repost someone's Snapchat story as your own story. This feature is not directly built into Snapchat, but you can do it with a few steps. First, open the Snapchat app and go to the story you want to share. Take a screenshot of the story by pressing your phone's power and volume down buttons. At the same time, remember the other user will get a notification that you took a screenshot. Next, exit that story and go to your own camera screen. Tap the gallery icon on the left side to open your camera roll. Find and select the screenshot you just took. Before posting, use the edit tools to crop out any unwanted parts like the notification bar. Then tap the Send To button at the bottom. Choose My Story from the list of recipients. You can add text, stickers, or drawings over the screenshot if you want. Finally, tap the Send button. The screenshot of their story will now be posted to your own story for all your friends to see. This is a common way to share funny or interesting snaps, but always be respectful and considerate of the original poster. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.